Welcome back. I'm Mr. Held, and this is AutoCAD lecture part 3, wrench. Alright, here's the drawing we're going to make. In this video, we'll just focus on making the polygons and setting it up on the outside, and then in the second installment, I'll do the work in the middle. So I'd start with the center line with the length of 129. Alright, and then we'll draw the circles and then the polygons. So I'm going to create a new drawing, RT207 template, and I'll start off with a center line. Come on, there it is. And I'm going to make a line, and I'll go straight down, taking care to make sure I'm at 90 degrees here. It's a straight line. And I'm going to type in 129 and hit enter. Next I'll hit escape because I don't want another line. I'll make a visible line this time with the circle, and the top circle has a radius of 30. Alright, I'll reorient myself, create another circle, and this time I have a radius of 20. Great. Okay, up here where the rectangle is, if you click and change it to polygon, it asks how many sides. The first top one is a hexagon with 6 sides. Now it wants the center, and now it wants to know if it's inscribed inside a circle or it's circumscribed about a circle. And in this case, it's circumscribed, meaning the radius I'm giving here is not to the vertex but to the side. And this is 20, as the drawing shows. So just to kind of show you what that means, if I were to put a circle of 20 in there, as you can see, the polygon is outside of the circle, and the measurement of the radius of the circle is going to the side, which is what we want. However, we want it in a different orientation, so I'm going to left click it and then right click it and say rotate around the center and snap it up, and look at that. There we go. Alright, now escape. Next polygon is a pentagon with 5 sides, and its center is here, and this time it is inscribed in a circle, meaning the measurement I'm about to put in goes to the vertex, which the print shows as 15. And once again, I'll show you what that means and with a circle. So if I type in 15 as a circle, the polygon is inside the circle, meaning the radius of the circle is the radius to the vertex. Alright, we don't need that circle, but we do need to orient this differently. So left click, right click, rotate, center, and then right there. Oh yeah. There is a great start to the wrench in just under 4 minutes. So we'll see you in the next video. Feel free, try to figure out what you can on your own and come back if you get stuck.